Welcome back to another TwoSpanners tutorial. Today we're removing the focus door mirror, which is quite easy on the 2015 models. So you need to open up your door. Tools I'm using are a Torx 25, I've got a trim tool and a little flat blade screwdriver to undo the plug with. So first off you want to remove this cover, which is quite easy. Just pop your trim tool down the back there. There's a little plug on the back for the speaker. Right, to remove this plug there's a little push pin underneath here. So just put your screwdriver in and pull it. You need to remove this little grommet up top. So the screws are in this little hole, one here and one round here. So all three of them are out. Then just come around to the outside and lift it up. Just give it a little wiggle, like that. So how to remove your forward focus door mirror, quite simple. Just do the reverse to put it back in, you just want to push it up in. If this helped, please give us a little like and a subscribe. Thanks very much.